Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change menu view on your AMAZFIT Balance 2XT. So you guys can choose between the grid and the list style. I currently use the list because it's easier for me to see the apps. Now, if you guys want to go over and change that, you need to go to the settings first. So here we have the settings. Now in those settings, you guys want to go over to preferences. So swipe down to preferences. You guys can also use this. I just don't want to cover the screen. And here you guys have all the settings. Scroll down to app view. And here you guys can change it between grid and list. So now we are on the grid view and this is how it looks like. So of course you guys can use something like this, and yeah, you guys can customize it pretty much however you like to. Let's go back to the grid. Now here you can make it smaller, bigger. It's totally up to you, and it's up to your preference whether you like the grid or the list more. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.